Alright, what's up guys? Today we're gonna fix a little problem the RSX has been having for a little while. When I start the car, especially at cold, excuse me, I got the hiccup, especially at cold starts, right after startup there's this kind of like a grinding noise. It's like right after startup, it'll make like a sound. It's led me to believe that it's the famous starter solenoid getting stuck right after startup. And let's see if freaking hiccups. Let's see if I can show you guys now. Smooth start. Usually when it's cold, it'll make that sound. And supposedly it's bad for the flywheel. I just figured I might as well replace the starter now before it gets any worse. You know, we're gonna go to a shop. This shop, this guy helps me a lot. He lets me help him work on my cars. If you have a shop that lets you work on your cars, I say stick around and help him out, because you'll learn a lot about your car. Like this car, if you guys know, the K series starter is really hard to replace. There's two ways of doing it. You can take off the intake manifold, which would be easier once you get to it, or you could take out your radiator, or your radiator fans at least, and it looks like a motor mount bracket from what I've seen in videos. But to do it that way, you have to have the right tools to reach the starter. And I'm taking it to a guy that just recently has done this job. I don't know what he was doing to the RSX, but he had the intake manifold off, he had the starter off, and he had the valve cover off. Hopefully it goes smoothly. I just got to the shop, and the guy's moving the truck so I can move my car in the spot where it's supposed to be, so I can finish up this truck. We start on mine. Alright, so I was looking at the RSX here, and the RSX I was talking about has no motor now. This. That's a piston right there. So, about to get to the starter right now, and it's a real pain. It's a real pain. This guy wants to do it without taking out the manifold and without taking out the radiator. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys this thing. It's a 300ZX. This is guy's, it's his nephew's. This thing's super clean. Met him, well, he recently got it painted. He had his hood open, and he had a screwdriver in his hand, and the screwdriver fell. Oh, there it is. It fell right here and chipped the paint. I'm like, oh dude, that just happened right there. He's like, nah man. I said, whatever. Oh dude, is this actually for sale? No way. Dude, this thing's for sale. It's really clean too, for what it is. I like this thing a lot. I remember running into a garage where it's just full of these 300ZXs, 280Zs, a bunch of old Zs. So, got some good news and some bad news. We got the first bolt off. The back bolt's gonna be a little hard, what it looks like. But also found out that the knock sensor is bad. Check out this RSX. Oh my god. Oh, no engine, dude. I like these. I like the coupe with the flip-up lights. The tail lights. So, pretty much what we're doing here. Well, if you want to do this without taking off the manifold or the radiator, just a bunch of moving harnesses out the way, taking off brackets on top of brackets on top of brackets, and some hard bolts to get to, and pretty much it. Guys, this man is a G. He took out the starter from the bottom. No taking off the manifold, no taking off the radiator. Just straight up took it out from the bottom. Alright guys, so the starter's in. It starts up pretty good. It starts up better actually. I'm just waiting to see how it starts up in the morning. Usually when it makes a sound. The mechanic said that was a problem. He's had that case before. Just hoping it's really it. And if so, this proves that the grinding noise you hear at startup is the starter. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube that people are having problems with the starter making that noise, but they never make a follow-up video after they fix it saying what it was. And if it works, I'll let you know. Here's how my car starts now. Starter sounds nice, man. Oh yeah, we disconnected the battery, and I didn't have the engine code. I didn't have the radio code. If you don't know how to find it, it's gonna be right here in the glove box on the side. It's gonna be that top number there. I just looked it up online right now. I didn't know how to do that. Usually they give out a card with your radio code on it. But in this case, I have a sticker on the car. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Hey.
You outside?
Yeah, I'm outside.
Alright.
Me and Trill Will about to go get chopped up, you know what I'm saying? About to go get our haircuts. Hope it's still open, man. I hope we have enough time. It's 7:05 right now. My hair. Look at that ugly boy. Where's this kid at, man? Saba? Bye.
And it closed at 8, so.
Oh man, it closed at 8.
Yeah, I looked it up. Oh, you're vlogging right now?
Yeah, dude.
So, I was on Highway 6. So you come back from Hurricane with Daniel and Dalton. And I floored that bitch.
On the G?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought you waste gas.
I mean, I'm barely driving. So.
Oh, they ain't fast.
Yeah, but then I started going uphill. It's like kind of like, I know it was the road, but it's kind of like shaking up like that. Fuck that.
You trying to race?
Huh?
Trying to race?
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Yeah, RSX versus G35 video coming soon. As soon as we hit 2 likes.
If this video hit 2 likes, and we'll do a RSX Type S versus a G35. Go race, bud. There go Tony over there. About Tony.
Is that Tony for real?
Nah, it looks like it though. I think.
Oh,
Probably is.
So, man.
Those are his rims too. You guys like how they shot me up, you know what I'm saying? That's good.
Saba. Oh, you need a fresh cut too, man. You get your stuff lined up, you need your eyebrows done.
Trying to show off your haircut, Oh. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Make sure you subscribe and give this video 2 likes if you want to see the G35 and the RSX race. So let me know who you think will win. This is just the base model G35 sedan automatic. Mine's the R6 Type S, but pretty confident that I'm gonna win because you know, got that driver mod. Dozy, who you think's gonna win? Boy,
I don't know what the fuck going on, boy.
So who do you think's gonna win? Race. I mean, I think I'll keep up with it, and then once we hit like 80 over, you'll start pulling hard. I'll give you that. Cause like, I know this thing is fast. It has pretty good pickup on top end. It's fast. Well guys, hope you like and subscribe. Remember, 2 likes. Race Trill well. Thank you for all the new subscribers. If I could just get 2 more subscribers to hit 120.
Feeling all over himself.
Yeah. I like to feel myself, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm feeling myself, dude. Alright guys, before I upload this video, I just want to give a big sincere thank you to all the subscribers and all the supporters for my channel. I really appreciate all your support. I met some cool people on YouTube, like other car channels, vloggers. I never really thought I'd make it to 100 subscribers. No, it's not a lot, but I just really never thought I'd get there. I hope you guys like these little vlog type videos. I wasn't really gonna make a video today. I just kind of like wanted to make a video. So I like urge to make videos sometimes. So I just said, why not? Trying to get better at vlogging. This is pretty much what I want. Freaking hate these hiccups, man. It's pretty much what I want to do. Freak, man. The RSX. You might not see mods coming soon, cause I'm still trying to fix these problems with it. There's still a couple problems here and there, but I do want to get some rims. At least want to get some rims. But yeah, I got some crazy videos to come just to keep you guys entertained. But yeah, guys, till the next one.